Protecting your skin is important at any age, especially right here in the Mojave Desert. We're going to introduce you to 4 simple products that protect and transform your look. Master esthetician Katia Simonenko is back with us. I adore her. She's the owner of Pearl Skin Studio. It's up just west of Fort Apache on Sahara.
Yes.
How are you?
Hi, how are you? Nice to see you again. I'm so
love to see
excited
you.
to be here.
I'm excited to have you in, and you brought Paige. She's so lovely.
Lovely and beautiful model that's gonna show us how simple it can be to make your skin look glowy, how to apply healthy product, 3-in-1 in 3 minutes. So it's a skincare, mineral makeup, and mineral sunscreen. You can do it in the car, in your bathroom, anywhere you want. It's very easy to apply. Again, it has sunscreen. It's very healthy, makes your skin very looking natural and glowy.
Well, you look natural and glowy.
Thank
You've
you.
been in the industry for decades, Katia.
Yes.
I've come to very much trust you. I've been to your studio. I've had services. I know that you know the best products on the market. So let's talk about these.
Yes. So this is Face Shield Flex. It's liquid sunscreen. Can be light to medium coverage foundation. It's very soft, very hydrating. As you can see, it looks very glowy, blends with your skin, has different shades for any skin color and tone. It is safe for every skin type and condition, acneic skin, dry skin, oily skin. So
It's beautiful.
as you can see, it's very beautiful.
It is dewy, for sure. What level of coverage does this offer? And by the way, the company is Colorscience.
Colorscience, yes.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, Colorscience, again, it's high-end makeup line that is mineral-based. It has mineral sunscreen, which is zinc, reflects sunlight. It's very healthy for the skin, reflects the sunlight so it doesn't go into the skin. And it is safe for skin that is acne-prone, great for dry skin and oily skin as well.
I noticed when Paige first put it on, there was a little bit of a tone to it, and that's the mineralization,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes.
Yes, and the products that contain minerals have become much more popular over the past couple of years. What else do we have here? Something for the eyes.
Yes, so this product is pretty amazing. As you can see, she's applying it with a little metal tip because it's cold and depuffs the eye right away.
Oh.
It's an eye cream, concealer, and sunscreen 3-in-1.
Wow.
So it blends very well. She's gonna use your fingers to blend. As you can see,
There
it's
it is.
very easy to apply, easy to blend, brightens up the eye area. Light to medium coverage, eye cream, sunscreen, and concealer.
I think
3-in-1.
there's such an art to a moisturizer, under eye moisturizer. It's adding moisture, but it's not caking at all.
No,
right?
it's not.
And you can see there's moisture involved because there's a little bit of dewiness.
Yes, so
Yeah.
it's not gonna crease in your fine lines. It's not gonna make your fine lines look drier or worse. So as you can see, flawless look.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You know,
Yes.
we know right now it's starting to get a little bit warm here in Las Vegas. You want to be ready because you don't want to be out in that hot summer sun and be unprotected, do you?
Correct.
It's essential.
Yeah, sunscreens must be reapplied every 2-3 hours. That's why the cream you apply in the bathroom at home, and then the powder brush, which is face shield brush on, is in your purse to reapply your sunscreen throughout the day. So it has a little glow, it has a little bit of coverage, very easy to use. It's great for children and men as well because men don't like greasy sunscreens.
No.
Especially men who is golfing, they don't like to take the club with greasy hands.
Yeah.
So they love sunscreen that a brush. And it's SPF 50, all zinc, mineral, so protects from all UVA rays.
Let me get this straight, because
Yes.
I have to be honest. When you said apply every 2 or 3 hours,
Yes.
I'm like, yeah, right.
Uh-huh.
But I can go ahead and just layer on this
Yeah,
powder throughout
on
the
top
day.
on top of your
Brilliant.
makeup. Yeah.
You have a special offer. We didn't get to the 4th product,
Yes.
but it is a sunscreen-based, amazing, dewy, beautiful lip gloss.
Yes.
What is your special offer today? Oh, that looks good on your page. Ooh,
So
pretty.
it has hyaluronic acid, so plumps the lips, has sunscreen, has beautiful color, and you get it absolutely free if you purchase 3 different sunscreens.
I love it. Thank you so much. Pearl Skin Studio is where to go to take advantage of this amazing special offer. They have incredible skincare regimens there as well. You must check it out. Purchase all 3 Colorscience products today and you will receive a free Colorscience lip gloss. It is a $39 value. Pearl Skin Studio located on Sahara. You can visit Katia and visit the website pearlskinstudio.com.